Ever found yourself standing in front of the fridge at dinner time, staring blankly at a hodgepodge of ingredients, not knowing what to prepare? It's a common predicament in the modern world, but there's a solution: meal planning and batch cooking. These two practices have been gaining ground as efficient ways to manage meal preparations for busy individuals. Firstly, think about meal planning. It's a simple concept. Plan your meals for the coming week, considering your dietary needs, preferences, and schedules. This proactive approach can drastically lessen the daily stress of deciding what to cook. It's like having a roadmap for your meals, guiding you towards a stress-free dinner time. Now let's bring batch cooking into the picture. This practice involves preparing food in large quantities, then storing it for later consumption. It's a cook once, eat multiple times approach that minimizes the time spent in the kitchen on a daily basis. It's like having a personal chef who's already prepared your meals for the week. The benefits of meal planning and batch cooking extend beyond convenience. There's a significant potential for financial savings. By planning meals and cooking in batches, you can buy ingredients in bulk, capitalizing on discounts and reducing grocery expenses. Plus, you're less likely to waste food, maximizing cost effectiveness. Over time, these savings add up, giving you more financial freedom. But it's not just about budgeting. Meal planning and batch cooking can lead to healthier eating habits. You can choose recipes that prioritize nutrition and balance, ensuring your meals are rich in essential nutrients. Batch cooking also gives you control over ingredient selection and portion sizes, reducing reliance on processed foods and unhealthy fast food alternatives. It's a win-win for your health and your wallet. Lastly, consider the time management aspect. By setting aside a few hours each week for meal preparation, you reclaim valuable time otherwise spent on daily cooking tasks. This extra time could be used for hobbies, quality time with loved ones, or self-care activities. Plus, by streamlining the meal preparation process, you alleviate the burden of decision-making, fostering a more enjoyable cooking experience. In summary, meal planning and batch cooking are more than just kitchen hacks. They're lifestyle changes that can lead to financial savings, healthier eating habits, and better time management. It's a trifecta of benefits that can make your life easier, healthier, and more efficient. So, give meal planning and batch cooking a shot. You might just find that it's a game changer in your busy life. And remember, if you found this video informative and helpful, do hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the King's Exploits channel. Until next time, happy cooking.